Yeah.
Okay.
Well, for this, I just gotta see if I can twist off the oil filter, and then I need a socket for this fuel filter right down here.
It say on there what size it is. It's like 24 or something.
Hey, I'll check. Got him. What you mean?
Man, guess what?
This diesel. Oh. Big ass fucking oil filter with this bitch. Oh. Go get the lighter. You sure you going the right way?
Oh,
You talking shit about me going the right way?
fuck, shit gets harder everywhere you go. Shit.
Yeah, it's another fuel filter you gotta remove when you do maintenance. It's a lot of fucking gas. Alright, we're about to remove this right here, this crankcase filter. Alright, we got the fucking crankcase up there. And just like pull this bitch up. That's good. Fill me up.
No duty.
Oh, we're good, we're good. Alright, I'm gonna put this fuel filter back in here. Yeah, I think I'm ready. Got it now. Always making a fucking mess.
Well, I can't remember if it's this way, it's closed or open. Yeah, it's opposite of that thing, bro.
It's like giving the shit CPR.
I was just want to say that, bro.
So this shit, it's hard. No diddy.